In really exciting news for the Lucas Oil Pro Motocross Series, it has been confirmed that Tony Cairoli, the 9-time World MXGP champion, or nine-time champion, has confirmed that he's going to be racing at least the first two. Well, the press release says only the first 2 rounds in California for this year, but the question becomes if he's doing really well, or what happens there. Or is he really going to only race 2, or is it going to be one of those things? Who knows? He's going to be racing under the American Red Bull KTM team, however you want to say it. But in his own press release, or own Instagram statement, he said it's exciting to finally confirm that I'll be racing in the U.S. to ride and race in America is something I've always wanted to try. I like the looks of the tracks. For me, there is no pressure to perform. I'm not going out to the same preparation as I would have had for a World Championship, but I'm still taking it seriously and be looking for good results. So obviously, if he's only planning on racing the first 2 races, he's obviously not going to go for the championship. But it's still going to be cool to see him actually come out, race, and you're going to have the more competition than just the normal guys you see year in and year out. Obviously, we're still waiting for the quote-unquote rumor of if Herlings will race, but we'll wait and see if Herlings actually does race. But under his Instagram post, you did have 2 of the main guys he's going to be racing against this year, both commenting on it. Both seem to be excited that he's coming. So tell me in the comments below, how well do you think he's going to do? Do you think he's only going to be racing 2 races, or is something going to change and maybe he stays for a little bit longer, or whatever it is you want to say, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.